Hi everyone, it's Krista and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new, hello again. So this is my channel. I love to do DIYs on a budget, Dollar Tree DIYs, thrift flips, farmhouse and rustic, wreaths, and seasonal decor. So if you like what you see here, you know what to do. Hit that red subscribe button. Also leave me comments. I love to hear what you guys think, and always give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel. You can also follow me over on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and Facebook. And today is all about the 12 days of Christmas. This is day 2, and my host with me is Rustic and Lace DIY. Her link will be in the description box below, along with a playlist of everyone who is joining us. If you missed day 1, that will also be in the description box. So go check everybody out. So today is all about garland. So I'm making a garland for my fake mantle, I guess you could call it, but I'm using some ribbon. I'm using these picks from Hobby Lobby. Also some of this poly mesh and some ornaments from Dollar Tree that you could see there. I'm doing a country farmhouse look garland because that's what my Christmas tree is, so I wanted it to match. And this garland is 50% off at Hobby Lobby. It's originally $11.99, and I went with that one because I'm going to do it myself. I'm also going to use some fake snow to spray on that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm cutting each strip 12 inches. So it's going to be 10 by 12 pieces. And I cut 10 of those. And then I'm going to cut the red, and I'm going to use my wood burner tool to cut this one. So it burns the edges so it doesn't fray. And I'm just doing the same thing. It's 12 inches I'm cutting, and I did 10 of those as well. Now next, all I'm going to do is we're going to do like little curls. So they're like rolls. You're just going to roll it like so. And then you're just going to, I take a little clip from Dollar Tree and clip it to hold it in place. And then I roll the next one. And then we're going to keep doing this with all of them. And I'm going to put these two colors together like so. And I do this a couple times. I do this 10 times, of course, but I'm just going to show you a couple times. I didn't show every single one. This is a really quick video, you guys, so, because I only made one garland. I wasn't going to make a whole bunch because I have no place to put them all. But this was super fun to make, and I like doing my own. So now you see how the snow is on there that I sprayed with that snow, fake snow. Now what we're doing is we're just opening up, and I'm just like eyeballing how far apart I put them. And I'm taking the bunches, taking it off the clip, and then I'm just tying them on the little branches on the garland. So I'm just twisting them to keep them on. And I did that all the way down the entire garland. And I just kept going, and I think I showed you a few. And 10 was perfect for this size garland. I can't remember the exact measurements, but this is the only one at Hobby Lobby that is plain. So there's only one size anyways. And I just, like you could see, I did it all the way down the bottom. Now I'm going to cut my ribbon also 12 inches. So I just measured it out, and I just started cutting strips. I did 10 of these as well, each. And I had this Merry Christmas ribbon. I got these ribbons from Hobby Lobby. And then, of course, I'm going to ducktail the ends of them. So you just fold them over, and then you're going to cut in an upwards direction diagonally, like so. And I did that with all of them. Now we're going to take the large one and the smaller one, and I just put the smaller one on top that says Merry Christmas. And now I'm going to put those in between where I put my little curls. And then I just kind of like, you know, fluff them out so that they look nice on the garland. And I did those a few times as well. If you hear kids in the background, I have 5 of them, so that's why. But anyway, I just kept going, and I'm just twisting them in the garland, you guys. It's so easy to just use those to put in whatever you need. It's a lot easier to do it that way. So now I'm going to take these picks from Hobby Lobby, and I'm cutting them because I'm going to be putting them in different spots. So now look at the snow going everywhere, you guys. This stuff was such a pain. But it was very messy, not gonna lie, very messy. So now I'm going to take the picks that I cut and I'm just going to separate them and put them wherever I see a spot that's like really open and needed something. And I just kind of like spread them out, you know, everywhere on the garland. So that's why I cut them up, because 2 picks can go a long way on this garland. And I didn't even use all of them. I didn't use the whole 2. So I did have a little bit left over. So you'll have some left over too for some other stuff. So what I did is I'm gluing them down, and wherever I could tie them in as well, I tied them in to the garland too. So I just twisted the garland around the bottom part of the branches. And then I also, see how I'm twisting it, and I also added some glue for some extra hold. I used the pine cones that were on this pick was perfect for the type of look I was going for. So I love the country rustic look. Now I'm going to take the ornaments and I'm going to spread those out in spots all over the garland as well. And I love the buffalo check ones. I wish I would have bought more of those. I only had to use a few of the red ones. So, but if I would have bought one more pack of each of the buffalo check, the red and the white buffalo check, it would have been perfect for this project. And I'm just, you know, sticking glue and then sticking them down. And here it is, you guys. Like I said, it's really simple. I love the way it turned out. This is my fake little mantle, my TV, and I'm just going to lay it over the top like you see there. And we have our little fireplace showing. I turned it on so you guys could see. And I'm just going really slow and kind of showing you what it would look like. And I think it turned out so pretty. But you guys let me know what you think down below in the comments. But I really love the way this turned out. I hope you guys like it too. And if you want to try it out, it was not that expensive to make. It was really cheap. So yeah, it was either this or I was going to do a Grinch one, but I decided on this one. So yeah, and here are some photos of it. I just took a couple close-ups so you guys could see how it looks. And yes, the snow went everywhere. That's the only thing is about that snow. It just went everywhere, you guys. But make sure you go check everyone out. Make sure you go check out Brenda's channel. There will be a bunch of people who are joining us as well for the garlands. And yeah, I'll see you for day 3 and day 4. And yeah, me and Brenda are switching on and off days. So some days you'll see me and some days you won't. But I'll see you guys again soon. And as always, remember, stay crafty. Bye.